Starting up. Horsepower.
See the lights underneath? Those are travel lights. Then when I move it, it'll move the other way.
Oh, yeah.
I hear the sounds on this one.
Good evening, everyone. On behalf of the management and of all our employees, welcome to the Canadian Pacific Holiday Train. Since 1999, when it made its first run across the country, the CP Holiday Train has generated food bank donations in excess of $1.5 million and more than 250,000 pounds of non-perishable food. We're happy to take to the rails each year, reach out to the communities we serve, provide our particular brand of good cheer, and start the holiday season on a festive note with our beautiful and colorful train.